Hello students, today in this module we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter 4, that is reproductive health. It is the last chapter of unit 1, class 12, and so let's begin with. The chapter reproductive health is all about the well-being of the reproductive organs, their functioning and all the aspects related to the reproduction. The chapter will be covering the 5 main topics. That is, the first topic will be regarding the reproductive health, what all problems are there in the reproductive health, what problems are faced by different group of the people, and what are the strategies to deal with those problems. Then we will be discussing about the population explosion, that is the increase in the population of a particular country, and what all methods can be there to prevent that. Then there are certain birth control methods. These methods will be including different surgical, physical methods which are there for controlling the birth. Then there is the next topic, that is MTP, medical termination of the pregnancy. We also call it as abortion. So how it is done and why it is done, in which cases it is allowed, when it is allowed, we'll be discussing it in detail. Then there is a topic called STDs, that is sexually transmitting diseases. We'll be discussing those diseases which spread by sexual act and the diseases which are putting harm to the reproductive organs. We'll be discussing it in detail. The last topic of the chapter is about the infertility, the people who are facing this problem on infertility, how they can solve that problem, what all strategies are there to solve the problem of infertility. So all these 5 topics are covered in this chapter. The main heading of the chapter, that is reproductive health, and this heading doesn't only mean the healthy reproductive organs and with normal functions. It also include certain other aspects, few emotional, behavioral and social aspect as well. So as per the World Health Organization, that is WHO, the reproductive health means the total well-being of the person in all the aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral and the social aspect. So the complete well-being of the organism is known as the reproductive healthy person, and the reproductive health is including all these aspects: physical, emotional, behavioral and social. A society which is having the people with physically and normal reproductive organs and normal emotional and behavioral interactions among them in all the sex related aspects is said to be a reproductive healthy society. So a reproductive healthy society is the one which is having all the individuals which are reproductively healthy, which are having the proper physical, emotional, social and behavioral aspects under the reproduction. I hope the introduction of the chapter is clear, and the chapter will be covering all these major topics. We'll be covering all them in the next classes. That's all for today. Thank you.